Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friend, my name is Rangganova Ferdiansyah from class 10 3RD, absent number 8. In this video I will explain in Oker. Okay, let me not take too long to explain the 7 components of a car engine. 7 car engine component part and function. Is the latest variant. The Curtiss STBS is much awaited by automotive lovers because it shares a very powerful engine in its class at a more affordable price. This car series in inline 4-cylinder turbo engine DOHC DVVD with a capacity of 1.451. The Wuling Curtiss STBS is capable of producing up to 140 horsepower at 5.200. With this enormous power, it is certain that the Wuling Curtiss STBS has engine component support with excellent function. To find out what are the components that produce extraordinary power in the Curtiss STBS, you can refer to the explanation below. 1. Cylinder block. The cylinder block is the most important component and is the basis of a car engine. The main function of the cylinder block is a string holder for the string mechanism. Inside the cylinder block there are several engine cylinders, each connected to the piston and crankshaft at the other end of the road. The up and down movement of the piston, which makes the movement of the crank and runs the engine work cycle. 2. Cylinder head. The cylinder head is an important component of a car engine mounting of the cylinder block. The cylinder head has an important role in the combustion chamber because it functions to transfer heat into energy. In general, the cylinder head is made of a very light aluminum alloy which has excellent cooling efficiency and is usually coated with nacelle. Correct maintenance of the cylinder head will provide optimal power and performance. 3. Piston. The piston is the heart of the engine that plays a direct role in the combustion process to generate power. The piston that moves up and down will generate energy to all parts of the engine from the crank mechanism, flywheel to the power transfer and wheel drive. The piston head has several shapes. Some are convex and some are flat. 4. piston rod or connecting rod. The piston rod or connecting rod has a main function is a link between the crankshaft and the piston. The piston rod will receive the power released by the piston and convert it into rational energy. 5. Piston ring. Although they are not very visible, piston rings have a very important function. The piston ring serves to close the piston with the cylinder block to prevent leakage while the compression process is in progress. Leaking gas during compression and oil enters the combustion chamber will cause problem for the overall car engine. In addition, the piston rings also functions to reduce excess oil in the cylinder wall. 6. Crankshaft. The energy of motion will be converted into rational energy by the crankshaft or crankshaft. This energy will then move the wheels. In addition, the crankshaft also has a function to keep the piston movement so that it can work normally. In the process, the movement of the crankshaft will be assisted by a piston rod which is installed under the cylinder block. 7. Crankshaft or oil pan. The overall performance of the engine will not run perfect without a crankshaft or oil pan functions as a reservoir for engine oil which is used as a lubricant for all engine components. The crankshaft is located under the cylinder block and is equipped with an oil plug or a drain plug that is added with a bolt and gasket to prevent engine oil leakage. Those are the various components found in a car engine. Each of these components has a different function but is mutually sustainable. The correct maintenance of each component will provide optimal engine power. Okay, thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.